And the South African story is really no different to the global mining story. There is strong correlation, and the industry is really underperforming relative to other sectors right now. The weakening of the rand, unfortunately, has not provided the requisite amount of respite that one would wish for, given where global commodity prices are at the moment. So definitely hard times for mining entities out there.
In rand terms, coal and iron ore was probably hardest hit. On the gold and the platinum side, the rand weakening assisted a little bit. The reality, though, is that the rand didn't weaken much more than what we've seen in other resource-based economies, and it really weakened in line with what the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar has done over the last 2 years.
Well, I think clearly the economy is under pressure. I mean, I think it's all talk about we need the growth to create the jobs that is required to improve the condition of all the people living in South Africa. And I think with the growth where it stands, it is going to be very difficult. We have significant cost pressures. We have the challenges with Eskom and the supply and the cost from an Eskom perspective. So without the growth, I mean, I think it will be difficult to not go into a recession.
Clearly, mining companies cannot operate at losses indefinitely. At the moment, there are quite a few shafts and mining operations that are funded by the profitable ones, and mining companies will have to reassess it. At what point don't we produce from these loss-making assets anymore? We believe that a fair bit of strategic assessment is going on by mining companies, and for that reason there might well be shaft closures.